Yes. Today we discuss problem based on the relation. जितना भी रिलेशन से रिलेटेड हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उन्हें हम यहाँ पर डिस्कस आज करेंगे। यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 अगर हम देखें, इफ आर इज ए गिवन रिलेशन डिफाइंड एज 2x plus y is equal to 8, then find the domain and range of the relation R. देखिए यहाँ पर हमें x और y दो हमारे कोई भी होल नंबर है और हमें यहाँ पर गिवन है दैट इज relation between the variable x and y or component x and y. 2x plus y is equal to 8. So here we give the value of solution. We have 2x plus y is equal to 8 or y is equal to 8 minus 2x. So we put the value of x is equal to 0. So then y is equal to, when x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 8, x is equal to 1. So this implies that y is equal to 6, x is equal to 2. So this implies that we get 2 to the 4 or x is equal to 3, 3 to 6 or that is y is equal to 2 or x is equal to 4. So this implies that y is equal to 0. If we give the value of x here, if we put x is equal to next whole number is 5, so this implies that y is equal to आपका -2 not belong to w. So therefore we give only here the input of the value of x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the corresponding value are these of the y. So therefore range of R is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 and domain of R, अगर हम इसका डोमेन देखें तो the value of x is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and also write the R in the form of the set of ordered pair. So then R is, first component is 0, 8, 1, 6 or that is 2, 4 or that is 3 and 2, 4 or 0. So this is the value of the R. Now next, question number 2. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फाइंड द लीनियर रिलेशन बिटवीन द कंपोनेंट ऑफ द ऑर्डर पेयर गिवन एज आर इज इक्वल टू दिस। अगर एक रिलेशन के ये ऑर्डर पेयर है तो देन फाइंड द लीनियर रिलेशन। देखिए लेट आर बी द रिलेशन R be the linear relation or we know that, so therefore we consider y is equal to ax plus b is the defined relation. R be the real relation such that अगर हम देखें तो R should be containing the order pair xy such that y is equal to ax plus b. So then this is the linear relation. So therefore the order pair 2 1 4 7 and 1 minus 2 belong to R. So therefore x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 1. So because this ordered pair belong to the relation R, therefore this satisfies the relation between x and y. So y is equal to 1 और x is equal to 2 plus b. अगर हम यहाँ देखें that is 2a or plus b. Equation number second. Also the second order pair belong to the R. So therefore x is equal to 4 or y is equal to 7 or this is 7 or x is equal to 4 a or plus a b or this is say the equation number third. अगर हम इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को सबट्रैक्ट करें तो we get here minus 6 is equal to minus 2a or a is equal to 3 or b is equal to, here we get b is equal to हमारे पास आ जाएगा 1, b की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 1 minus 2a और this is equal to b 2 into 3 or that is 6 or minus 5. So that is b is equal to minus 5. तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास a की वैल्यू आपकी आ गई 3 और b की वैल्यू minus 5. तो therefore the relation is, अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो we get the linear relation is y is equal to 3a or that is 3x plus b minus 5 or therefore we write R is equal to x y such that y is equal to 3x minus 5. X and y is belong to R. So this is the required relation. Next, question number 3. If A is equal to this and B is equal to this and R is a relation defined as xy, the difference between x and y is the odd number and x belongs to A and y belongs to B. So then write the value of the relation R in the roster form and also find the its domain and range. हमें इसके जो है निकालने हैं domain and range. So then this is the first part. अगर हम देखें find first part हमें यहाँ निकालना है, that is write R in roster form, write R in roster form and second part हमें देखना है, that is find the represent R by arrow diagram. Arrow diagram. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, अगर हम यहाँ देखें सॉल्यूशन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का, तो देयर आर R is equal to, we have A is equal to 1 2 3 और B is equal to 4 6 or that is 9 and R is equal to containing all ordered pair x y such that x minus y are odd. X minus y is odd and x belongs to A and y belong to B. So therefore the value of R is as, अगर हम यहाँ देखें कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम द सेट A to B, तो then 1 4, the difference of 1 and 4 is 3, that is odd. 1 6, that is odd. 1 9, not possible. 2 4, not possible, not possible, or that is 2 9, the difference between them is 7, which is the odd, or 3 4, or that is 3, देखिए 1 4 1 6 or 2 4, not possible, 2 6, not possible, 2 6, not possible, or that is 2 9, 3 4, 3 6, yes, or 3 or 9, both are odd. यानी कि the difference of the two numbers is odd if one of them is odd and other is even. But if the numbers are odd, both are odd or both are even, then the difference is always even number. So therefore 1 4 1 6 2 9 3 4 3 6 5, अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो A हमारे पास था 1 2 3 4 और that is 5, तो 5 4, that is all. 5 6 चलेगा और 5 9, not possible. So this is the value of the R in the rostered form. Also we represent the R in the form of arrow diagram. There is, that is the set is A, or this is the set is B, and this is the relation is R 1 2 3 5, or that is 4 6 and 9. So because 1 related to 4, 1 related to 6, or 2 related to 9, or 3 related to 4, that is, or 3 related to 6, or 5 related to 6, 5 related to 6. So therefore, this is the relation are defined from the set A to B is shown with the help of the arrow diagram. Yes. Question number 4. Let A be the set containing 3 5 and B is the 7 5. If R be the relation defined as the or containing ordered pair AB, A belong to A, B belong to B, and defined as A minus B is odd. अगर हम यहाँ पर देखें तो there are A cross B is equal to 3 7, 3 11, or that is 5 7, and phi 11. This is the whole Cartesian product. We know that the relation is a subset of the Cartesian product. So here we find, since the component of each order pair is odd, each order pair is odd, so therefore the difference between the component is always, देखो 3 minus 7, that is say even. So therefore we get no order pair which satisfy this condition. So therefore we can say that the relation R defined from set A to D does not contain any order pair when the difference of the first and second component is odd. So therefore the given relation is a empty relation. Next, question number 5. अगर हम देखें यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 सॉल्यूशन देखिए, if AB, let R be a relation defined from the set Q to Q means rational to rational such that R is equal to AB, A belong to A and B belong to B and A minus B belong to Z, then so that for every A belong to Q, the ordered pair AE belong to R. Also, if AB belong to R, implies BA belong to R. If AB belong to R and BC belong to R, this implies that it is compulsory the ordered pair AC or it also belong to R. So here solution. Let only for all A belong to Q. So this implies that A minus A is equal to 0 or 0 is belong to Z. So this implies that first part में A belong to R for every A belong to Q. Second part देखिए, let AB belong to Q and if order pair AB belong to R, this implies that A minus B belong to Z. अगर ऑर्डर पेयर AB R का एक एलिमेंट है तो A माइनस B एक इंटीजर होगा, बिलोंग करेगा Z को, और दिस इंप्लाइज दैट B माइनस A इज ऑल्सो बिलोंग टू Z. या हम ये कह सकते हैं, अगर हम यहाँ देखें, अगर ये A माइनस बी बिलोंग करता है Z को तो माइनस A माइनस बी भी बिलोंग करेगा Z को, यानी कि इफ दैट इज 2 belong to Z, this implies that minus 2 is also belong to Z. ये भी इंटीजर्स होगा, और this implies that B minus A belong to Z, or this implies that BA belongs to R. Now the third part is let AB belong to R, BC belong to R, for all A, B, C belong to Q. So this implies that A minus B belong to Z and B minus C is also belong to Z. यानी कि यहाँ पर ऑर्डर पेयर अगर ए बी बिलोंग करता है आर को तो और बी सी बिलोंग करता है आर को, तो इनका जो डिफरेंस है दैट इज एन इंटीजर। अगर हम लोग यहां देखें तो दिस इंप्लाइज दैट दिस इज इंटीजर, द सम ऑफ टू इंटीजर इज आल्सो बिलोंग टू Z. The sum of two integers is also belongs to Z, or this implies that a minus b plus b minus c is belong to Z, or this implies that a minus c is belong to Z, or that is ac is belong to Z. See again, देखिए अगर ordered pair a b belong करता है r को and BC is also belong to R, then by the definition of the given relation, the difference of A and B is a integer. So A minus B belong to Z, B minus C belong to Z. Since these are the integers, the sum of the two different integers is also belong to Z, because the sum of the two different integers is also a integer. तो therefore a minus c belong to Z और ac belong to Z, और this implies that if अगर हम देखें ab belong to Z और bc belong to Z, और this implies that ac is also belong to Z, यानी कि ab belong to R, ये R का एलिमेंट होगा, that is also belong to R, और ac is also belong to R. Yes. Let R be a relation from n to n defined by the order pair AB such that AB belongs to n, A is equal to B square. Are the following are true? First part is, let we take A is equal to 2. अगर हमने यहाँ पर एक एलिमेंट A equal to 2 रखा, तो this implies that the square of A square is equal to 4. So that is A square is equal to 4. So this implies that A2 not equal to 4, or this implies that A not belong to R, for all A belong to N. यानी कि हमने यहाँ पर काउंटर एग्जाम्पल दिया कि अगर हम 2 कोई एलिमेंट लेते हैं ऑर्डर पेयर, यानी कि हम ये भी कह सकते हैं दैट इज दिस इंप्लाइज दैट द ऑर्डर पेयर 2 नॉट बिलोंग टू आर। यहाँ एक ऐसा ऑर्डर पेयर हमने निकाल दिया जो कि आर को बिलोंग नहीं करेगा, तो देयरफॉर ए नॉट बिलोंग टू आर for every natural number. Second, let A is equal to 4 and B is equal to, हमने लिया यहाँ पर 2 and B is equal to 2. So this implies that B square is equal to 4, or this implies that B square is equal to 4, that is 4 2 belong to R, but 2 4 not belong to R. 2 4 not belong to R क्यों? Since अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो since the square of 4 2 not equal to square of 4. So therefore, if AB belong to R, then BA not belong to R. देखिए यहाँ पर 2 का स्क्वायर को ये तो बिलोंग कर गया R को, राइट, बट जो इसका उल्टा होगा BA नॉट बिलोंग टू R, Now third part के लिए let we take a equal to 16, b equal to 4 or c is equal to 2. This implies that 16 is equal to, that is 4 का square. So this implies that AB belong to R. Also 4 is equal to square of 2. This implies that BC belong to R. But अगर हम यहाँ देखें 16 और ये ले हम C, AC यानी कि 2 का स्क्वायर नॉट इक्वल टू, और दिस implies that AC not belong to R. So this implies that if AB belong to R, BC belong to R, so this implies that AC not belong to R. आंसर आ गया हमारा 9, और इसका भी हमारा आंसर क्या आ गया, दैट इज नॉट 2. और यहां भी हमारा आंसर क्या आ गया भाई, नॉट 2. तो तीनों केस में हमारा जो है फॉल्स जाएगा आंसर. यस, देखिए यहां पर राइट द रिलेशन इन द रोस्टर फॉर्म. इफ x क्यूब ऑर्डर पेयर बिलोंग करता आर को, और x इज द प्राइम नंबर लेस देन 10. सिंस x इज ए प्राइम नंबर or less than 10, so therefore the value of x, smallest prime number is 2. हम लोग यहाँ ले सकते हैं 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. So there are only the prime number which are less than from the 10 are this. So therefore first part अगर हम देखें, the roster form of R, if we put x is equal to 2, so order pair to 8. If we put 3, so then 3 or 27, or if we put that is 5, so 125 order pair, or if we put here 7, so then 49 or 63, 28 or 634, that is 343. These are the ordered pairs which belong to R. So therefore the roster of the R is second. अगर हम देखें तो R is equal to, we put x is equal to 2, that is say 0, और हमने रखा यहाँ पर x is equal to, तो 0, 4. नेक्स्ट इज 3 minus 2 1, और 3 का स्क्वायर 9, और दैट इज 5 minus 2 3, और 5 का स्क्वायर 25, और दैट इज 7 minus 2 5, और स्क्वायर ऑफ 7 इज 49. Yes. Let A be the given set, then list of the odd pairs of the satisfy each of the following relation. हमें उन ऑर्डर पेयर्स की लिस्ट देनी है जो कि दिए हुए रिलेशंस को हमें सेटिस्फाई करते हैं। तो अगर हम लोग यहाँ देखें तो पहला रिलेशन हमारा इज ग्रेटर देन, दैट इज इन अदर वर्ड्स वी से दैट इज ए रिलेशन आर सच दैट ऑर्डर पेयर ए बी एंड इज द ग्रेटर देन। ग्रेटर देन का अर्थ हो गया हमारा यहाँ पर अगर हम देखें तो द फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट A is greater than B, A is greater than B और A, B both are belong to A. So therefore, are the list of the all ordered pair. We have to give the list of the all ordered pair. So we write first of all A is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Or that is again we write A is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Because by the definition, देखिए अगर हमारा रिलेशन on A defined हो तो then we write A 2 times for the convenient. So therefore the list of order pair, the list of all order pair belong to R. फर्स्ट पार्ट में क्योंकि बिलोंग करेगी उन ऑर्डर पेयर्स की हमें लिस्ट देनी है। देखिए अगर हम यहाँ देखें -2 to -2 नहीं चलेगा, -2 to -1 दिस इज लेस देन, -2 to 0 नो नो। और अगर हम देखें -1 to दिस, -1 to दिस इक्वल आ जाएगा इसमें -1 to दिस। हमें लेनी है लिस्ट ऑफ द ऑल ऑर्डर पेयर विच आर ग्रेटर देन। तो देन द -1 to दैट इज -1 to -2, -1 to -1 नहीं, -1 to 0 नहीं, -1 to 1 नहीं, -1 to 2 नहीं। अब हम चलते 0 0 और -2 में 0 बड़ा है -2 से, 0 बड़ा है -1 से, 0 0 नहीं, 1 बड़ा है -2 से और 1 -1 से भी बड़ा है, 1 इज ग्रेटर देन -1 और 1 इज ग्रेटर देन 0, 1 1 के इक्वल है। नेक्स्ट 2 इज ग्रेटर देन -2 और 2 इज ग्रेटर देन -1, 2 इज ग्रेटर देन 0, 2 और दैट इज 1। So therefore the list of all ordered pair which satisfy the given relation. ठीक है। नेक्स्ट सेकंड पार्ट अगर हम देखें तो आवर रिलेशन इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ। तो सिमिलरली वी डिफाइन द लिस्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑर्डर पेयर, लिस्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑर्डर पेयर बिलोंग टू द रिलेशन is the square of, is the square of। देखिए is the square of में हमारे ऑर्डर पेयर वो आएंगे यानी कि जो फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट है ए वो स्क्वायर होना चाहिए सेकंड कंपोनेंट का, यानी कि दैट इज 0 0 बिकॉज 0 इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 0, 1 or that is -1 because 1 is the square of -1 or that is 1 1, right। और अगर हम देखें सिंस यहां पर अगर हम रिलेशन देखें तो R containing ordered pair AB और that is ये जो है a इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ a इज इक्वल टू that is b is equal to a is the square of a. 0 स्क्वायर है इसका, स्क्वायर a is equal to b square और a b belong to the set A. Now is the negative of थर्ड पार्ट अगर हम देखें तो थर्ड पार्ट में हमारा आ गया the given relation. अगर हम देखें यहाँ पर तो जो हमारा given relation है is the negative of यानी कि हमारी नेगेटिव होनी चाहिए. तो therefore the list of ordered pair, list of all ordered pair, यानी कि A is the negative of B and B is the negative of A. तो then the order जो आएंगे हमारे पास में देखिए -2 और 2, -1 और 1, 2 और -2 that is also negative, 1 और -1 और that is 0 और 0. ठीक है. और therefore yes, let R be a relation given as if the ordered pair this and this belong to R, then find the values of A and B. Solution. Take given relation R is given y is equal to 2x minus 4 for all x and y belong to Z. Since A minus 2 belong to R given relation, so therefore x is equal to A and y is equal to -2. Satisfy the equation first. -2 is equal to 2A minus 4 or 2A is equal to 2, or this implies that A is equal to 1. Also, the ordered pair 4 or B square that is belong to R. This implies that here the value of x is equal to 4 or y is equal to B square. Or therefore, now put the value of a B square is equal to x is equal to 4 to the 8, or B square is equal to 4, or B is equal to plus minus 2. तो ये हमारा आंसर आ गया. That is say A is equal to 1 and B is equal to plus minus